Well, hi everyone. Welcome to the Local 5 Weather Lab. Today's topic, we're talking about lightning out there, and I love to watch lightning in the summer night. Those thunderstorms rolling on in, it's a good pastime, but do it safely because lightning is pretty dangerous out there. About 43 people per year are killed by lightning. That's a 30-year average across the United States. It's actually gone down over the years because it used to be higher than that, and the 10-year average is in the 30s, I believe. Now, 25 million strikes per year in the United States. That's a lot. 100,000 storms approximately per year in the United States. It's a lot of thunderstorm activity. And about 44 times per second, lightning strikes the earth. And that adds up to about 1.4 billion strikes per year. I've seen some estimates that are actually twice that. So there's a lot of lightning happening out there, and we need to basically take cover whenever there's lightning out there. Don't stand outside under trees. And of course, you know, lightning hits the tallest object, or it wants to. That's really not always true. It's basically looking for a path to have an electrical discharge out there. It's like a spark, a giant spark. It's kind of the same thing when you're rubbing your feet on the carpet and you touch something, you create that spark. That is what happens. It's a discharge of a lot of electricity out there. So let's talk about it here. You've got the base of the cloud, and that's where you have a lot of electrons pooling. So you get the negative charge here. The ground is positively charged, generally speaking. So you've got the contrast there. You've got that setup there where you want to get electrical discharge. So that is what happens. You start to get the electrons moving down, called a step deleter, and it's heading toward the positive charge, again, wanting to release that energy. When the two connect, you start to see the flash there, and that becomes basically a current, a flow there. You're going to see it flicker once in a while at 60,000 miles per second. That's how fast it happens. So it looks like it's basically instantaneously, and then it flickers quite a bit as the process continues out there, causing that flicker. Now, it all happens within less than a second. So lightning happens very quickly. That's why it is so dangerous. Sometimes people feel their hair standing up, kind of tingling, their skin tingling, and that is a dangerous place to be. So looking at the cloud as a whole, all sorts of lightning can happen. The most common is going to be inside the cloud, and then you've got cloud to ground, which is very common, and some of the rare one is actually ground to cloud. Cloud to cloud is actually not common. It's usually inside the cloud, and occasionally it goes up into the sky. You sometimes see that. And there's a very rare one out there, the cloud to ground, which is a positive charge from the top of the cloud to the ground, but that is very rare. So that is your lightning lesson here at the Local 5 Lab.